Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge episode number 25, where we try to build our portfolio to $10,000 in the first year of investing. And right now, our portfolio is up to $9,388.95. We're up $1,200 or 14.71% all time. So some really good gains in the portfolio. Recently, the stock market has actually pulled back a little bit. This is more in the US sector, US stocks. So what we're going to go ahead and do today is increase our positions in some of the main US holdings that we have, which are still traded in Canadian dollars. So let's scroll down here. And as you can see, I'll go to total value so you can see how many shares of each stock I own and what the percentages are up all time. But as you can see, QQC.F is a main ETF holding of the NASDAQ100 index. In the day, it's down, week it's about down 4.5%, in the past month, about the same. So we're going to go ahead and increase our position here. We're just going to buy one share of QQC.F today. Also, one thing I wanted to mention is I increased the value of how much money I'm putting into the account every bi-weekly update. We're going to be putting in about $400 or so. We'll see if we continue at this amount. We can kind of play with it a little bit, but for now it's going to be about $400 instead of that $250 that we were doing before. So the second stock I'm going to be buying is VFV. Now, this is one of my main ETF holdings. It follows the S&P 500 in the US stock market. So we're going to try to buy two shares. As you can see, same with this stock. It's down about 2.3% in the past week. So let's buy two shares of VFV in our TFSA. Perfect. Two shares of VFV. So just to recap quick, we bought two shares of VFV and one share of QQC.F this week. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't had the chance to download Wealthsimple, the link in the description will give you two free stocks, as well as crypto, which I'm going to be doing an update probably next week, buying into a little bit more crypto, just because it's very, very volatile right now and very down. So keep your eyes peeled for that episode of crypto. What I was getting at there, there's also a link down to Shakepay. If you guys haven't bought into crypto yet, now is a perfect time as it's dipped down a decent amount. So thank you guys so much for watching again. Hopefully I will see you in the next week, if not 2 weeks, for another Wealthsimple Trade update. And hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will talk to you soon.